Okay, this is a well, this is a video. Of course, it's a video, but this is a donation by I think it was Anonymous. I'm 100% sure it was Anonymous. Donated $1. Asked, well, what drinks do you have in your refrigerator? And the reason why this is a week late is because, well, I haven't had any drinks or anything really until today. So right here, Briska by Vasa Bryggeri. So this one I'll try. Oh god. And then right here, Frank's Energy Sports Drink. This right here, which is like a Bloody Mary mix, obviously alcohol free, because it's just a mixer. I don't drink alcohol. Blueberry white tea. Wato vätskeersättning. Vätskeersättning is basically fluid refreshener or fluid replacer, something like that. And one with caffeine and one without. And then right here, cherry. Obviously, this is by Vasa Bryggeri again. A cherry one. I mean, Vasa Bryggeri so far, the drinks I've tasted from them have all been good. And they're not that expensive actually, they're like 20 SEK each, which is pretty good. I think that's around $2.50. Vita Blåtira. Well, this says this one is tutti frutti flavor and this is sugar free. And obviously the cherry whatever is, the cherry special is cherry flavored. And then right here we have Gelee Hallon. This one is really good. Already tasted it before. It's good. Tastes like the candy. Gelee Hallon is jelly raspberries. Fruit soda, with judging by the colors, maybe I was gonna say is it lemon lime, but no, it's not. I know it's not that. Oh well, it is citrus and lime, so it is lemon lime. And what did I just? Oh god, I thought it wasn't. I thought I looked. Anyways, lemon lime. This one probably not gonna be that good. Probably gonna use it as a flavor enhancer for other things. Sidani, it's a passion fruit flavored one. Festbrus, which is druva is, oh god, grape and apple. And 21. No idea what this is or what it's supposed to taste like. And then some alcohol-free cider, elderflower flavor, and pear right here. Oh yeah, did I mention Bordsdrickan and Sprout? This is like a chocolate drink made from peas, I think. Yeah, made from peas. Want to try it out? It's probably gonna be good. That's that. Okay, hello. Well, as you could tell right here, this one is empty since apparently I didn't record, or I'm pretty sure I pressed record, but the recording is not there. So I'm just gonna put this at the end of this, when I showed the fridge video. This here was Briska Päroncider. Briska Päroncider med frisk smak av päron. An alcohol-free cider. And this was pear flavored, and it's good. It was a good pear flavored cider. Ciders tend to be good, and this wasn't any different. So, yeah, just a quick little drink review bonus here at the end.